Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam.
I'm Jazz. I'm just in my pajamas.
Jazz is over here. It's the night before the My D Pins trading event for the weekend. Tomorrow is Saturday, so it's day one. We'll be there day 1 and 2. But right now, I'm going to organize some pins, so sit back and relax. So, yeah, we have a lot of pins. A lot of stuff that we got rid of. But to be honest, there's a lot of stuff that we don't even have right here. So I don't know. Maybe it'll be like an addition to this video or something, but for now, this is just day 1 of the pins we're taking. A lot of people ask to see our pins or like collection videos and stuff like that, so I figured might as well try to make some sort of video out of this. So we have this pin pile over here of like carded pins and stuff like that, but like unfortunately, like just due to us like being very reckless sometimes, we kind of just throw things and like, you know, put stuff on top of things like heavier items. So like this pin right here, this Disneyland Paris one that Jasmine has. Look at that bent post. It's disgusting. It's I mean, Jasmine wasn't gonna trade it or anything, so it's hers, so she'll take the loss, but you know, sucks that stuff like that happens to pins. Some of this stuff is actually not for trade, like this one. This one is not. This one's really cool. This one's not. This one is not. I don't know. That one probably is actually. This one is not. Shout out to my boy Landon. Not. Fake pins are kind of hard to trade, not gonna lie. I might just give this one away. This one's not for trade. This one's not. I'm thinking about trading this one. I don't know. I really like it, but like, I don't know. It doesn't really fit my collections. Because I kind of got rid of my Spider-Man. Thoughts. Again, this is just like stuff we never really got a chance to put away. For my trip from Milwaukee. I thought I thought these pins were gonna go fast, but they didn't. They're like LE like 3,000 or something. So there's a lot. Fake pins. Not for trade. This one's for trade. I don't know how legit this one is, so it's like I traded for it at Frontierland, but I just never, I don't know. I don't think it's authentic, so I just don't even bother trading it. I have another one like that in here too, but it's what's it called? It's Jasmine. It's almost 11 o'clock at night, and Jasmine is like, "Why are you still wearing your shoes?" And I don't know. I'm ready. I'm ready to go.
For what?
For the event. I'm ready.
It's tomorrow.
By the way, I am kind of talking a little bit more quiet because Amira is asleep. What are you looking for, Jazz?
This little thing we use to take the pins off the pinfolio. Yeah,
It's
that.
this.
But we had another one. I don't know where it's at.
So by the way, guys, check your Dollar Tree or whatever. Get one of these. It helps a ton. See? Just like that. Super easy. So yeah, I did get rid of a good amount of my Star Wars pins.
You guys, check the value on these, the Tatooine and
Naboo box.
I don't know why they have like high values right now.
They're over $20 each.
Yeah. And when I say like check values, the sold on eBay.
Turn that around. Let me show them. No.
Oh.
Yeah. No.
What? This?
I did say turn around. Yeah, my bad. Trying to trade this as a set, but we'll see how that goes.
Yeah. You don't want this one?
No.
Archimedes?
Let me see. Look. Yeah, so right here, there's Archimedes one. I was collecting Archimedes. When I say that, I only have like 3 pins. But right here, this post is broken. So there's only one. So I'm going to tell the person that potentially wants this. It's 1 post. Cool pin, though. It's actually a set of 3. I forget the other 2 characters that are in this set, too. But it's an older pin. So I did pull out a bunch of stuff from my personal boards. Let's see. That Spider-Man one right there. I did get rid of a couple Toy Story ones. They just don't fit me anymore.
Will fit you?
Yeah, I tried them on.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, no, I'm alright on those. I kept the Rex one though. I have the Mr. Potato Head one in there as well. Oh yeah, so right here so this one I have along with these right here. I don't know if anybody's gonna trade them necessarily, but you never know. This one right here, surprisingly, guys, the value of this silver pin is $60, and this one is like 22, give or take on eBay. So pretty cool. What I was trying to say earlier is like I did want this whole collection, but actually no, I didn't even want the whole collection. I just wanted a few of them, but I got this one, and I haven't really been able to find the other ones. So I don't know yet. Oh, and here's the other one I was talking about earlier. I don't know the authenticity of it, but I traded for it one time in Frontierland. I gotta start doing that with these kind of bags and stuff. These card backs. Anybody remember those DSSH mystery grab bags? Don't ever do it. Never buy them. Trust me, because you will get stuck with pins like this. I saw the other ones here. This one. Let's see. It's another Marvels one. But yeah, I'm literally stuck with them.
Is this a Hidden Mickey?
Really? Yes. She was talking about this one.
I didn't know we put in Hidden Mickeys or Star Wars. Let's keep it all.
No, I don't want that pin. I'm telling you, I don't want that pin. I'm fine.
Okay, the ones I don't know yet, I'm going to put over here.
So yeah, Jasmine is categorizing them, and I'm wasting time babbling. But yeah, this one is kind of pricier. This one too. We don't have anything ridiculously pricey. But where's another one? There's another. I don't know where it's at the moment, but I will find some more pricier pins. Oh, this is a fantasy pin too. I'm keeping these. Shout out to Blanca for these. Jasmine's like, what the hell is this? I don't even know. I think this one's from like, well, oh, let me see. It says it's from, I can't even read that. I can't read that. I don't remember where this guy's from, but he's from one of the Disney parks.
Well, I'd hope.
So this is the book that we recently took to Frontierland, but Jasmine is taking out the pins. Like I said, she's categorizing them.
Trying to. My best.
And then I'm gonna go through these as well right now. So we got these. Got these. Most of these are the ones we put on sale for on our Instagram. So I'm gonna have to go through this stuff. I'm trying to do this in like an hour. So I'm gonna put away my phone for a minute. Okay, so here's a quick little update. Cleared out this book. We're sorting them by piles. It looks kind of crazy, so I'm not really gonna show everything, but that's what we're kind of dealing with right now. All right, so Jazz and I ended up splitting the deal. This was the first page that she did, and this is the one I did. Let us know in the comments below who organized better. Just kidding. We both know it's me.
Okay,
but yeah,
I had weird shaped pins.
Yeah, you did. So that's what she did, and that's what I did. So I will report back in a moment. All right, so here's my second page that I finished. You see that one? And here's Jazz's second page that she finished from the first side. Well, actually, yeah, there you go. So she finished that. That's all Pixar. And then this one is all, well, it's Marvel and The Lion King. She got rid of Lion King. I don't know if I told you guys that.
Most, I still have some.
But yeah, you can kind of tell we got a little lazy.
Sorry.
I'm trying to hurry this up. All right, so it's slightly past midnight now, unfortunately. But we got this done. This book is full. It is heavy as hell. I am not looking forward to lugging this around, but I know people are going to have a lot more pins than us, so I'm grateful for being able to take what we can. And then that. Honestly, a lot of this too is to keep track of what I had and what I traded. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah, all this stuff right here. Hopefully you guys check out our video. Stick with us for a minute longer. And here's some of the other stuff that's like carded. This one is so hard to trade. Oh, believe it or not, people actually don't really care for like big pins like that.
I don't want any more big pins.
And then here's like totally miscellaneous. MSC MISC. This one's a fantasy pin. Shout out to the creator. I'm blanking out on the name right now, but that one's really cool. And then this one right here.
Cats and
the
OG characters.
Yeah. And here's all the Munchlings.
Munchlings and Hidden Mickeys. And
so if you haven't noticed, Jasmine's out of the Munchling game.
yeah.
We refuse to buy the new series.
I think we bought a bag.
I don't even know. Oh yeah, we did. One actually.
Bag,
but anyways, but yeah, that's it right here. So yeah, oh, this one's also a fantasy. And this one's upside down, Jazz.
I am half asleep. Okay?
So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Hopefully you guys check out our trade video. Hopefully that video turns out good. But yeah, that's literally what it's like to get prepared for a video. Or to trade. I'm tired.
Good night.
Good night.